Hi, I'm Alona from Waxley. Let me show you a dream villa in Altea Hills. This villa has 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 475 square meters, 2 terraces, 2 parking space, private elevator and amazing sea views. The property has 4 floors. Right now we are on the first one. On this level we have access to 2 parking spaces, the private lift, and plenty of built-in storage. There is also a nice open area you can use for whatever you need. Right now we can move between the levels in 2 ways, either by taking the stairs or using the lift. I'm choosing the lift. Now we are come down on the second level. There is loads of space here for storage of keeping things organized. Plus, we have access to the big terraces where the amazing sea view to Albir and Benidorm. On the third floor, we have 3 master bedrooms. Each of them have a direct access to the terrace. Special bedroom with a special view into the sea. Another one incredible bedroom with a stunning bathroom where you can relax in the bath tube while enjoying breathtaking views over entire Costa Blanca. A third bedroom features a stunning suite bathroom. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. It's spacious, features hidden wardrobes, and offers plenty of storage for all your clothes. Now we are in the main floor. Here we have a guest bedroom. Also, it has a private bathroom and access to the swimming pool and green grass. Another guest bathroom. Now moving into the kitchen. It's fully equipped with plenty of workspace for food preparation. Here you can see how spacious and cozy it is, beautifully furnished and filled with natural light. It's a perfect spot to relax off entire guests. Stepping out into the terrace, just imagine having your morning coffee here, enjoying the sunrise and the breathtaking views. It's a peaceful and inspiring space. Today we had the opportunity to tour this luxury villa in Spain, Altea Hills. The price of this villa is €2,180,000. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, contact us and don't forget to subscribe us and see you soon.
L'amour sans logique à la raison.